Rumor was rife on Saturday, April 4th, that St. Lucia had recorded its first COVID-19 related death. Despite the viral WhatsApp flashes, nothing could be further from the truth. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar George sought to dispel rumors about the virus during a Sunday night address to the nation. It was her second attempt at clearing the air. While no one in St. Lucia had perished from the disease, on the weekend there was one new confirmed case.
We have a total of 14 COVID-19 cases, confirmed cases in St. Lucia, and to date, all of our patients are clinically stable, none of them have complicated, and we have no deaths. We have 0 deaths of COVID-19.
The Health Ministry commenced testing for the coronavirus disease 2019 around the last week in March, but the lab has since run into a few snags with sourcing material.
We have developed national capacity to test for COVID-19 at the Ezra Long Laboratory at the OKEU Hospital. Globally, there is a shortage of the reagent, and St. Lucia, just as all of the other islands in the region, we are faced with the increased time of receiving those reagents.
Nonetheless, as News Force accurately reported last week, testing continues through the Caribbean Public Health Agency, with hopes of the island recommencing local testing from the week of April 12.
Whenever we run out of reagent, they work as a plan B so that we do not stop testing. We have continued testing this week through the Caribbean Public Health Agency, and we anticipate that by early next week we will continue testing within our own national lab.
The Chief Medical Officer acknowledged the healthcare workers, fire and police officers who continue to put their lives at risk in the fight against COVID-19. She also urged St. Lucians to stay at home and only venture outdoors for food and medical emergencies. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.